Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set an aspect ratio for your picture in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app, and then it usually opens up in the gallery. We have to select a picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. We tap on the picture, then after it loads, from the bottom bar we select crop. And then in the crop menu, on the left side, in the bottom, there is a custom button. We tap on this, and then from this list we can select the aspect ratio that we want our picture to have. If we want a 1:1 ratio, like a square, we can select it. But if we want a 5:4 ratio, we can select that as well. Then if we want to create for social media, we can select a ratio that best fits that, and then rotate the picture or do whatever we want. And also we can create custom aspect ratios that follow our needs. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.